What's going on, folks? Stepping down to Victory Nissan, and I'd like to show you our 2021 Nissan Altima that we have. So LED high beams and daytime running lights as well. Comes equipped with a backup camera. Remote start feature is definitely a plus. Hopping on the inside, that's what counts though, right guys? Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, of course. It's got the D-shaped steering wheel to make getting in and out a little bit easier for you. All your cruise control and your hands-free settings are on the steering wheel for you to make sure you're abiding by the hands-free laws. These vehicles get upwards of 40 miles per gallon on the interstate, guys. You will save a lot of money on gas. Apple and Android CarPlay ready. Goes through a little USB port right down there. And that'll also charge your phones up super fast because it is the lightning port. Up here we have our blind spot detection system, which can not only monitors the vehicle in front of you, but the vehicle in front of them as well, and can help detect an accident before it happens, and maybe even stop it. Interior is in brand new condition, of course. Front license plate mount if you choose to have one added. Comes with an owner's manual. You got everything that you need, guys. This one only has 5 miles on it currently. My name is Stefan at Victory Nissan, and I look forward to working for you in the future. Come down and see me.